Oh, it's on that one.
It didn't happen. It happened again. It's
fine.
I thought I was going to
I'll film myself. Until you're ready. I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh.
Oh, I just put a little bit in my mouth.
Just missed it. What is the time?
This is beginning to hurt me a little bit.
1 o'clock. It's not even 1 o'clock. It's nearly 2 o'clock.
Are you supposed to drink a whole bottle of Pepsi and then a whole bottle of Lucozade on your own? Because I don't feel so good.
No, I haven't. I've drunken.
I don't feel good.
Help us. I keep on getting this double chin. Surgery.
That's the point where I can't even burp anymore. Like the
Sad times.
extremity of the situation.
So we both did this at the same time. Creepy.
Anyway.
Yeah. Let's find a strawberry.
Hold on.
What? Bye. Veronica, you can't just leave. What if you... Veronica! What? What if you burped in there? All of these are like... buffs or something. Put it here. Sorry for
It keeps happening.
What does?
The whole...
The lighting isn't that great. We can do. I saw a good strawberry and it's gone. That is not what I was waiting for.
Tell no one.
You just told.
I'm telling the person watching it.
Which is going to be everyone. Oh, I hate this.
No, can you not show it like the time when I mooned and you showed it the world in the video?
I didn't show the world. Nice. Right, is.
And she's so healthy, like, I was like, alright, we'll have half this Pepsi and half the strawberries each. Which got to the point where she's having all the strawberries. I've had one, like one big one that was like as big as my face, and then I gave up. And I've had all of this by myself. And now I'm in the process of, well, I'm nearly finished this, to be honest.
No, that's not by yourself.
This is,
I've drank that as well.
there's this much left in this. And that was nearly full when I opened it.
Just do that, go for it.
See, now you've left. It's not a funny comedy act anymore.
What?
She's just a very sad, lonely person drinking pink lemonade and trying to make herself burp on camera.
What? I don't know what's going on.
There's always like one fit friend and there's always one that looks like a sea lion. I'm the sea lion.
Might do. And mermaid.
You can taste it.
Oh.
Oh no, wait, that's because I'm drinking it. Okay.
Because you what? Ringing?
I'm drinking it.
We then should have put a ring.
I'm going to put a ring on this, to be honest. I'm drinking. Put a ring on anything carbonated. You know how deodorant's carbon compressed or something to make it sprout out of a can? Does that mean that it's fizzy? If I drank deodorant, would I burp? I withdraw now. All my shoulders come up and then I start giggling like curling off.
You lose your neck.
Like a golem. Like a big laughing golem.
What is the lighting?
Cheers.
Whoa, no fun, the sink. I'm trying to make biggest gulp ever. trying to make it bright by like reflecting it off my face.
It's empty.
Always at me.
We're always in the way. Well, that's it, kids. I've finished these two.
Not by herself.
Oh no, I burped came while I was bending over to put them down in the recycling bin. It's gone now. Got these
Snapchat.
glasses in the sink.
Cool.
That was like a silent burp.
Still heard it. Level 100, you're doing it wrong. Yeah.
It's elbow in the strawberries. Hooligan.
Draw.
Do you know what these boxes are called?
No.
They're called punnets.
You
Do you know how to spell it?
P-U-N-N-E-T-S. It's like sour. Sugar pun.
No, that's not funny.
I
Oh,
hate
I'm
that.
the same colour hoodie. It's been about 6 hours, I've just realised.
Yeah. Not the same type.
Do we have anything else that's fizzy? Mildly burp inducing. You know if you put fruit salts in water, it turns it fizzy. Do you think that would make you burp?
Fruit salts in water. We have fruit.
No,
That side looks perfect.
No,
when
no,
you turn
fruit
it
salt
on.
is the name of it. It's like a chemical name. Like, you know, like lime water isn't actually lemonade. That's what I'm trying to tell everyone. Sometimes I hiccup and burp. Like, I hiccup on the inhale, like, and then I burp on the exhale, like, so it's like, and I named it a hiccup. And it's beautiful.
Hiccup.
It's funny. Anyway, no, I think we have fruit salts.
Hey, look at this. Look at this.
No one look at this. Turn around if you want me.
Look.
What's
I'm
that?
poking you.
What's this? What's this?
That's what I'm showing you. Hey, you
The
ruined
guy
it
was
now.
doing his evils at the play today.
It looks like
What's his face?
a spider, which is bad because I'm really scared.
Look, I'm doing another method thing. I'm just reading the comments for fruit salt. It's like a chemical.
Some pat. Some pat. Nutella. Get the Nutella out. Oh, that's how it does that.
You want Nutella?
I love Nutella. I only ever had
It's
it
nearly
in
2
one
a.m.
house. Yeah, what? After all, we've had. I probably got straw in my teeth on mine.
I just realised that my phone battery was on like 20% last time I checked. Oh yeah, I was struggling to teeth earlier. I didn't want to tell you because avoiding awkward conversations is what I do best. Yeah, I don't think we have any fruit salt. Someone's been hiding it from me. They know. They know. Oh, we have chocolate orange spread.
No.
It sounds nice, doesn't it? It's not. But it's like running, which is easier to spread than Nutella sometimes. Oh, mayo. Don't judge.
I don't want to look at that.
You
Go
guys
ahead.
don't judge. It's squeezy mayo. What?
I see it in the
There's a
corner.
reason it's squeezy. They want you to do this.
No, it doesn't say please Radica. Squeeze this in your mouth. And also if you get it not in your mouth, that could be it wrong.
Well, don't nudge me then.
Not a bit look wrong in your mouth. Right, just hurry up.
We
Oh, I
farted.
heard it. I heard it.
Farted in my mouth.
Bro. Salsa.
Who even likes peanut butter? Like,
It's
Americans like
full.
peanut butter. No, yeah, it is actually. Americans are like, woohoo, peanut butter, but it's grim.
Oh no, I don't.
Carl Morgan likes
I
peanut
don't
butter.
particularly like it, but I can eat it. Can I not have a knife of this? Nice.
It tastes fizzy. It tastes fizzy.
How?
Because I just drank like a couple of litres of fizzy stuff. I don't know.
Run.
I'm allowed to pee once, I said that. Did I go too far with the mayo? Please don't kill me.
With what?
The mayo. Please don't kill me. It was just very weird. Like, you were like, don't eat the mayo, and then I ate the mayo, and then you got a knife out. And I was like, what?
I told you.
I warned you.
I'm presuming I can have some of this.
No, you cannot.
It's just, this is my home.
I'm wondering if there's anything fizzy in the bedroom. in a sec. We will try.
No, don't eat any more strawberries. I think you'll go mad.
I think it's a bit mouldy.
Which one?
That one with the white stuff in it. Can I have it anyway? Eat my strawberry. Come on.
That's my arm.
That's my finger,
You're
Charlie.
resting it. Daddy cut. It's only been on for a minute. No, it hasn't.
10.
Oh, from my perspective, it looks like. Hello.
Hi.
Everyone just saw up my nostrils. Excuse you.
I'm not weird.
No.
Why aren't you sleeping?
She closed the
Hyper.
bonnet.